Hi, in this video we will learn some of the additional features which are useful while editing vector data of point, line and polygon geometry. So here we have one of the georeference topo sheet and different vector layers. So you can see over here this is a vector file containing point data which is indicating cities in the topo sheet. Uh, we have another layer which is line data indicating the rivers or local stream. There is one more point data, line data, which indicates the road network. So similar to river, one can also trace and produced road network data in terms of the line vector data. Also there are contour lines, those also can be traced and converted into line vector data. In addition, it includes a polygon shape file which represents one of the reservoir. Now let's see some of the additional features for the editing of this vector data. Before that, you need to activate advanced digitization tools which are available in QGIS. Let's go to view, and there is a panel, and there is a toolbar which includes advanced digitizing toolbar. You can click over here and this toolbar is available over here. Now let's go one by one. Let's I have selected first a data uh, which representing the layer which representing the cities. Let me activate. It's already activated, so let me save it again. So let me activate the editing mode. So this UG town, Upper Godavari town, uh, is activated layer. Now let's say while assigning the location, if you find there is some error and you need to move this dot somewhere else or move this symbol somewhere else, the tool is available over here which is vertex tools. You need to select a current layer. So this tool is available over here, vertex tool, current layer. If I select that tool, then I can select a feature which is a dot over here, and then I can move it. Yeah, yeah. So I can move it, so I have to just press click and then I can move that cross anywhere I want. Okay, so so when you hover a mouse, you can see a change in a symbol. You have to press once, then the cross will appear. Can see over here. Okay, and then I can move it anywhere, then the symbol will move. Oh, just a minute. Yeah, yeah. If I want to undo the changes, then I can use a control Z, or the option is available over here as undo. So I can undo it, and so now it has gone to its original place along with the label. Okay, similarly I can by using this tool I can change the location of Junner. Just you need to click it and then move it, so it has moved. Okay, I will say Control Z, so I am restoring the changes. Okay, yeah. Similarly I can do same thing for a line data. So this is a line data. Let me switch off the uh, topo sheet. So if I turn on the editing mode for this line data, then I can see some of the options available over here uh, from the advanced digital toolbar. We'll see some of them one by one. Let's For example, let's see that if this is the shape of the line, but after some time I realized that there is some error and I need to fix some changes at some part of this river line. So I can use the tool again, the same tool, a vertex tool, but this is for now line. I can do it. So if I click it, so you can see there is a change in cursor. Then you need to select a line which you want to edit, and the moment you go towards line, you can see there are several nodes. So all these small red circles are nothing but the nodes. So every time you click, a new node is formed while digitizing. So these are the all clicks because of which the nodes are formed. So I can select any of the node by left clicking, and then I can move it. Okay, I can modify it. So you have to just you have to press click once and then just move it. Okay, I can undo it by Control Z. Similarly, if I go over here, so the technique is the same. First select any node and then move it anywhere you want. Okay, then I want to modify this node. I will just click it, release the mouse, and then I can do it like this. Okay, so let's put again Control Z. Okay, so this is how you can edit the shape of line. Also there are a couple of other tools which are available, something which is like the move feature, which is available over here. You can see over here in advanced digital toolbar, move feature. I can click it. Then this generally is useful when you are procuring data from the multiple sources. For example, if I am tracing some data from the topo sheet and if I am taking some data from the Google Earth, then topo sheet and Google Earth are following different coordinate reference system. So sometimes you find that the features are not exactly overlaying and there is some gap, and for that correction this tool is useful. So the part which I wanted to move, I will go towards that part, I will click it. So now you can see there is a change in the color, and so it means that part is selected. Then I can just move it by pressing it to anywhere else. So entire part is movable. So now I can again click. So now you can see there is a change in color, and then I press the mouse, release the mouse, and then I can move it anywhere. Okay, I am repeating it again. Okay, I am using this undo button to restore the changes, to restore the original part. Okay, so this is by which we can move the shape, move the feature. There is also copy and move the feature. So if I use it, which is available over here, copy and move feature. If I select it, then I can select any feature. For example, let me select this feature over here, and if I move it, then it will produce another copy of the same feature. So in earlier case it was moving the feature, in this case it is producing a copy of the feature. uh, okay, so yeah, and I can have the multiple copies of the feature. Okay, you don't have to press the mouse. Okay, let me undo it. Yeah, if I want to get rid of it, I will just right click. Okay, then we'll see a feature by which you can also there is a rotate feature. Well, let me find out where it is. Yeah, rotate feature. So if I select it, rotate feature, then I can rotate the feature the way I want with a specific angle. So let me select it. So now you can see there is a change in the symbol of the cursor. Then I will select this feature, and then you can see the rotation window has appeared. So I can move it, so it will rotate the way I want, and you can see the angle of rotation on in the corner. I can put it like this. I can put it, I can see again, select it, I can put it like this. Okay, right click, then you can come out of that particular command. Let me restore the changes, restore the original uh, layout, original. Let me go back to the original feature. I will undo it. Okay, now see couple of features, like for example, right now in this river network there are two features. I can see the attribute table. There are two features. One is the Pravara river, is this, and another is the local stream. Whenever you select it by clicking in attribute table, or I can also do it by using select feature, then you see several these crosses are nothing but the nodes. We have also seen these nodes before. Okay, now uh, now this is only one feature, and for because of some reason I want to split it into multiple features, so I can do it. The command is available over here, the split feature. I need to select that command which is available over here as a split feature. uh, then for example, if I want to split on this bend, then I will draw a line where I want to cut the feature. I will uh, click over here, and then I will click over here, and then I will right click. Then I will go back to the select feature. Now you can see the feature has cut into two parts, so there are two parts over here. Okay, uh, if I want to go back and see the attribute table, now you can see there are attribute table, there are three components now. So this is the first component of Pravara river, and this is the second component of the Pravara river, and both of the components has same value in ID, name and length. So this is the length is in kilometer. This is the this is the data which I have taken for the processing purpose. Okay, so in this way you can split the uh, feature. Similarly, you can also merge the feature the same way. For example, I have selected this component, and then I will press Control, and then I will also select this component. So I have selected those two features. I can merge those by using this merge selected features. Then it will ask you about the uh, which data entry needs to be carried out. Just before that, let's do one small change so that we can appreciate it in a better way. So let me deselect it. Let me go back to the attribute table. So now I have this component of the Pravara river. Now this original length of the Pravara river was 20.50 kilometer. So now this is a split feature, so the length will change. So let us assume this length is just a 5 kilometer, and this remaining length is the 15.5 kilometer. Okay, this is just I am taking the data for the analysis purpose only. Okay, now let's perform this operation of joining the features. So I will again press Ctrl and select the remaining stream, and now I have to join it. So in case of a joining, it is now asking me that since these two features will be combined into one feature, so which values to be selected? Shall I select this value, where anyways in all the cases the the ID and name is the same, only length is different. Therefore I deliberately changed the length so that we can appreciate the difference between two roads. So this is the first component, which has a length of 5 kilometer. This is the second component, which has a length of 15.5 kilometers. So it is asking me, when I merge, which component should be selected. So it should be selected this component or this component. So which value should be carried out, because no longer there will not be two rows, there will be only one row, because since we are merging into two features into one feature. So let me uh, select this. I want 15.5 as the merge value. So and then I will select take attributes from the selected features. So I am taking attributes from over here. So I'm clicking it, and so the merge component will have the attribute of 15.5 kilometer. Then I'm saying okay. Now this is the merge one, so I can go back and I can see the attribute table. Yeah, so now the Pravara is represented by only one row and the length is 15.5 kilometer. So these are the several features are available over here in advanced digitization tool. These tools are really helpful when you will be digitizing a lot as a part of your dissertation or as part of your assignment, and you can also explore the remaining features over here. These are also function in a similar way. So in this video we have learned uh, the components of the advanced digital toolbar and how we can use the multiple tools which are available. Thank you.